Okay, it's the evening of the second day. I go home tomorrow. I just thought I would say hi. I've got to the campsite. Everything just seemed a little bit laboured today. Everything seemed hard work. It's a bit too windy to put my tarp up. I tried to put my tarp up, the wind nearly blew it away. The wind nearly blew away my tent. And I've not eaten all day either. I think that might have been it. Low blood sugar. Didn't feel too great, so I had a bit of a dodgy tummy this morning, so I didn't eat. A bit crappy today, and I got here and started putting the tent up. Everything was going wrong. I broke my camping chair. And then the ride up was nice. It was awesome, in fact. Thought I've just eaten now. It's a bit early to eat, but what time is it? 4:20. Thought I'd go for a walk. To burn off, to build up for my evening poop. I've eaten. Go this way. But yes. So, it's been an interesting couple of days. Just like I said, this afternoon, everything's just been hard work. What I'm going to do is go for a walk, take some pictures, and probably see you a bit later. Okay, so what I was thinking I would do is talk about the campsites. So, first one, the Lake District. I got there on Sunday and there were bikes everywhere, people everywhere. And the roads were very high octane, very adrenaline-y. And the atmosphere, it was very lively and bouncy. I got to the campsite. It was a farm, which they've obviously sectioned off as a bit of his farm, and there was some sort of barn next to where my camp was, which stank, and then there was a barn cattle in it. The one next to me was with sheep, and they were barring all night. And then the one at the entrance there was cattle. And, the smell, it was it got to your back of your throat, you know. But you know, it was a working farm, so you know, countryside. You expect it to be like this, but then obviously you get cattle and farming, and they're all cooped up in a pen. They just wee and poo all over the floor, and the smell was rancid. Anyway, yeah, no, it was all right. I didn't sleep very well. I think I had too much coffee through the day, and then during the night it was absolutely freezing. But it was weird because it was hot in the sleeping bag, but I had cold chill down my spine. I think it's because my head was exposed and the heat was getting out of my head, and I got a chill in the back of my neck, travelled down my spine, and once once I'd already got cold, that was it then. And I put the hat on through the night, it seemed better, but still had that chilling down my spine. Not sure why, but for the last couple of times I've camped, it's been like that. I don't know why, because never like that before, must be age. Anyway, I left the Lake District and got into the Forest of Bowland, and different atmosphere, like I said. It's very chilled and relaxed, and nobody's in any great rush to go anywhere, and it's, just everything just slowed right down, and this seems very out of the way, and just, you know, nothingness. And I like that. I like the nothingness, the unexploredness. It's really awesome. I mean, it's just know about. I've campsites down this way, follow it round, and I went that way. So I went that way and round there. It just takes you to a road. It just the main road where I came in. There's just no here. I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. You know, I mean, if I got here earlier, I could have got on the bike, set my tent up, gone out on the bike and explored. But I got here and everything went wrong. The campsite's lovely. Must admit, the campsite's nice. It's very but rural. There's no there. It's like there's a toilet. It's just you're in a field. There's a little area to wash your pots. A little tap for drinking water. What more do you want? But if you come here, it seems that you'd have to drive. You know, if you use it as a base, set your tent up and then go out. Well, I'm just passing through, so got there, set my tent up, broke my chair, made something to eat, went for a walk. I'm going to settle down in a bit, watch the sunset. I am shattered today, I didn't sleep well last night. But yeah, no, the difference in places. The Lake District seemed very touristy. There's people everywhere. Here it seems unexplored and very wilderness-like. And I must admit, I was down some of these roads, I was just plodding along at 40. And just, you know, the nice steady bends. It was awesome. Loved it. The bike's running great. It feels good when, you know, the luggage is on there. And when the luggage is on there, it just feels like you've got a passenger on the back, but the passenger that doesn't move. Some people bounce about on the back when you've got a passenger. My dad, he likes to look over your shoulder and see what's going off, and the whole bike leans, and it's like he's doing star jumps on the back. Hang on. I don't know if you can see, where are they? Where have they gone? There. There, see him walking. Must be a hiking trail down there. Be a hiking or something. Unless he's nicked my tent. Pissed off of a field with my dirty boxer shorts. But yeah, no, you've got to be organised. You've got to be organised. But today everything seemed laboured. I think it was because of the fact that I'd not eaten. I feel alright now. I feel alright. Yeah. I've built up. Thought I'd walk up and build up to a poop. And I might go later. Not quite built myself up to it yet. But yeah, no, it's really quiet. really chilled out today. It's been a nice ride today. Last bit of journey in Bowland, Forest of Bowland. You know, I would definitely bring the kids, pull up at the side of the road there. I was coming down. I don't know if I'd caught it on camera. I don't think I'll have to sift through my footage, but I was going down and there's this river alongside me, and there was this cat family which had just pitched up. Looked like they'd pitched up for the day. They'd put some windbreakers up, and picnic and whatnot. Family playing in river, little kids playing in river and whatnot. So I stopped and spoke to them for a bit, and then set off. I thought my bike won't start. It's acting a bit dodgy. I'm gonna have to get it looked at when I get home. Again, bloody thing. Let's have a look. So the campsite is Cross Lane Caravan Site, situated in the Forest of Bowland. If anybody's interested, it's quite nice. It's just, like I said, it's just field. So, it's all good fun. So I'll see you later or tomorrow. Film a bit of my journey home, and that'll be the end of my little trip. See you in a bit. It's the morning of day 3. Packing up, ready to go. I'm all good. Gonna set off home as soon as I'm done. Still need to settle up with the guy, the campsite owner guy. See if I can find him. If not, I'll pay him over the phone. But nearly there. Got that there. Stuff still to go on the bike. Another 20 minutes. See you when I get home. Day 3, trip 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, let's find out where I am in relation to where I'm going. Start. Right, so I am in a place called Keighley, heading towards a place called Bradford. I think the sat nav's telling me should be in a different lane. I think I'm in the right lane. Okay. Right then. Third exit, so that's 1. That's 2. So I do want to be in that lane there. There you go. Easy. Oh, someone's trapped my wing mirror. Oh, may have been me. Okay, so we're coming into Bradford. So I've got on my bike this morning, it feels weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me. It feels really vibraty today. Front end feels very, very light. I'm not sure. But yesterday was a nice day. I enjoyed yesterday. And then last night was better. Last night was a lot better. I came up with a system that worked for me. I figured that my sleeping bag is, well, it's a 4-season sleeping bag. It's supposed to be good to -10, comfortable at -2. But it was like 5 degrees and I was freezing. I think it's because it's old. It's about 20-year-old. So what I did was I used my jacket, my motorcycle jacket, as a secondary blanket to go over the top of my torso. Kept the heating better. It sort of worked. Put my hat on. Funny thing, well, it was a funny one because I had that chill in my spine again. Yeah, the rest of me was red hot. And I woke up in the night shivering, even though I was red hot. Although, they do say that that is a symptom of hypothermia. Feeling hot when you're actually not. So you never know, I could have had hypothermia, or, you know, mild onset. Well, anyway. So I will do a little bit of filming just to end my little documentary. So it's been quite eventless on the road. It's been really chilled out in the Forest of Bowland. The Lake District was very adrenaline rushy, I think I found, on the roads there. But now it's just the journey home. Going through Bradford and going through Leeds.
And he's home.